But if you have to explain it in a very basic layman language,
Yeah.
what is animal communication?
So, in a layman's language, first I would say that it is telepathic animal communication. Now, when we talk about telepathy, it is something that we all experience on a regular basis. If we break down the word tele, it comes from tele is basically over a distance, and pathy is coming from the Greek word pathos, that is feelings and emotions.
Okay.
So, telepathic animal communication is understanding feelings and emotions over a distance as well.
Okay.
Now, telepathy is something that everybody is doing on a regular basis.
Okay.
Like, we think of somebody and we get a call from them.
Yeah.
Or we are sitting on a table with some friends and we are about to say something and they say that.
Yeah.
So we are like, oh, I was just about to say that. So that's not a coincidence, that is telepathy. So we don't pay a lot of attention to it, but especially the people who are living with pets and are connected to pets in some manner, like for example, groomers, vets, they are always connected with animals.
Yeah.
So they are also communicating with pets on a regular basis. So it's not something that only a few people have a special gift. It is something that we all are doing because animals are always communicating with us. We are receiving it mostly subconsciously.
So, is this a gift or one can learn it?
So this is something that we all have within ourselves. It's not really a gift because we all are the same. But yes, it does depend on everybody's individual capacity to let go of the conditioning that we've had.
Okay.
Because we all have a very strong belief system. So telepathic animal communication is going to be working great only if we are ready to let go of the conditioning that we've had. Basically, keeping aside our own thoughts. And not assuming.
Okay.
So that does require a lot of firstly self-work, and secondly, if one gets into a workshop, then they are guided into doing so in a very systematic manner, and of course through experiences. The more you communicate with pets, the better you get at it. More like an intuitive muscle. The stronger you use it, the better it works.